Let's make product manipulation. Bring a background and adjust it. Make copy of background and cut half part of it. Apply blur effect on half part of background. Bring leaves in PNG and apply mask to remove some parts. Apply color balance on leaves. Bring tomato ketchup bottle and bowl, then adjust it. Bring tomatoes in PNG and adjust on different places. Take new layer brush with black to give shadow effect. Clip new layer to bottle and brush to give shadow effect. Brush with yellow on bottle and put blend mood to overlay. Thank you for watching.